Hi guys, welcome back for day 4 of general angles when it comes to degrees. Just a reminder that the retake is today at 9 a.m. on Zoom. You should have filled out the Google form that I sent you to let me know, and that grade will fully replace the test grade. So if you have any questions, make sure you email me. But again, 9 a.m. today on Zoom is when we'll be taking the retake for the Unit 6 test. I'll send out some details about that. I should have on Wednesday to let you know what's going on. So today's supplementary and complementary angles, like I said for yesterday's lesson, we're really just going to focus on degrees this week, and then next week we're going to bring a little more of the radian measurement into it. So this is going to be a review from geometry. So how do you find supplementary and complementary angles? Supplementary starts with an S, straight line starts with an S. So I always remember supplementary is straight line, which is 180, and complementary is like a corner. A corner is 90 degrees. So for supplementary, I always think of a straight, that's not going to be too straight, hold on, that's going to be an angle measurement. I always think of a straight line, which is 180 degrees, okay? So angles to form a straight line. And then when I think complementary, I always think of a corner, and a corner is always 90 degrees, okay? So what we're going to be doing today is just given some angles, and complementary angles, again, sum is 90, supplementary angles, sum is 180. Find angles that are complementary and supplementary to the following angles if they exist, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to find the supplementary and complementary angles if they exist. So for number 3, should be number 1, the complementary angle would be 70 or 90 minus 70. So the complementary angle would be 20 degrees. And then my supplementary angle would be 180 minus 70. So my supplementary angle would be 110. Okay. Again, I know you guys did this in geometry. It's going to be a little bit more confusing when it comes to radian measurements, but we want to intro at least with degree measurements. So for number 4, let's look at that one. So my complementary angle, well, I would do 90 minus 30, which would give me 60. Okay. And my supplementary angle would be 180 minus 30, which would give me 150 degrees. Okay. And then for my last one, I'm going to do 100 degrees. So like it says here, above here on the notes, it says, find the angles of complementary and supplementary if they exist. Well, if I give you an angle measurement that's already beyond one of them, then it doesn't exist. So there is no complementary angle. So no complementary angle here because the degree is already bigger than 90. But there is a supplementary angle, and my supplementary angle here is 80 degrees. So kind of like we've been investigating a lot with two trigs, sometimes things exist, sometimes they don't, sometimes it's combination. That's why I picked these numbers here, because sometimes both will exist, sometimes only one will exist. It just kind of depends on the measurement I gave you. Okay? So really straightforward, basic lesson here, kind of going back to geometry. Your assignment is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Next week we're going to focus on radian measurement with reference angle, coterminal angles, complementary, supplementary, and also start introducing the unit circle. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for stopping by.